All right, let's go through state by state the evictions. We got Alabama, no and no. Hold on utilities. You can see the columns right here, so so this video won't take forever to get through. But you can see Alabama, no, no. Alaska, no, no. Arizona, no, no. Arkansas, no, no. California, yes through 9:30, yes through 9:30. Colorado, no, no. Connecticut, no, no. Delaware, no, no. District of Columbia, it says C notes. Mayor has signed, but this is not for the whole. This is probably gonna get changed. It says more updates for the mayor's office. So if you live in that District of Columbia, you can see what's going on there. Yes for utilities. Florida, no, no. Georgia, no, no. Hawaii, yes through 8/6. So that's gonna end next week. We got no on utilities. Idaho, no, no. Illinois, yes, but it ends next week. It ends on Sunday. Whoa, what a day to end on Sunday. But it says C notes August 1st, forced eviction order will be banned until August 31st. Okay, so they're giving a little bit of time. Here go you go here, Illinois rental payment program. Indiana, no, no. Iowa, no, no. Kansas, no, no. Kentucky, no, no. Louisiana, no, no. Maine, no, no. Maryland, yes. 15th, no. On utilities, Massachusetts, no, no. Michigan, no, no. Minnesota, yes, but C, it says eviction off ramp as of August 13th. Landlords can terminate the lease of renters who are behind or not eligible for a COVID-19 emergency assistance plan as of September 12th. Landlords can start filing evictions. And for the utilities, we already know how that's going to go. You just start shutting stuff off in the summer. Mississippi, no, no. Missouri, no, no. Montana, no, no. Nebraska, no, no. Nevada, no, no. New Hampshire, no, no. New Jersey, yes, until end of emergency plus 2 months, no. So they're going to give 2 months after the end of the emergency. This is probably ended. New Mexico, yes. Here go the notes. Moratorium. Let's see. Just had to go to the website for more assistance. They have a phone number here: 1-833-551-0518 for New Mexico residents. No on utilities. New York, yes. 831. Extended to 831. It was probably going to end on the first. Uh, and then yes on utilities. No utility shut off due to non-payment of state emergency plus 180 days plus 6 months. North Carolina, no, no. North Dakota, no, no. Ohio, no, no. Oklahoma, no, no. Oregon, no. And yes on utilities. Pennsylvania, no, no. Rhode Island, no, no. South Carolina, no. And no. South Dakota, no and no. Tennessee, no and no. Texas, no and no. Utah, no and no. Vermont, no and no. Virginia, no. And yes until at least 60 days after the state of emergency, which this is ended. We got Washington C notes says will extend moratorium to September 30th. Landlords cannot evict for unpaid rent from 2/29/20 to 7/31/2021. Beginning 8/1, landlords may evict under certain circumstances. And then utilities shut off extended through September 30th. West Virginia, no, no. Wisconsin, no, no. I'm in Wisconsin. There's a lot of heat going down on this. Wyoming, no and no. What I can see here, man, uh, helping people, helping people. I guess they believe that everybody's gotten enough help and tired of helping. If you watch my other video, I'm gonna put it at the end of this video, the one that I just did about them not renewing the moratorium on the evictions under the federal guidelines. You can take a look at that video and kind of get my points on what I believe is going on and how you can resolve and be able to move forward if you do get evicted. All right, I'm going to end the video here. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your reports and scores, please go to your3scores.com. Links are below this video. And if you need any of our letters for cease and desist collection activities, statute of limitation letters, and the debt validation letter, those links are below this video. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you for your time.